A leather wallet slides across a countertop, its polished surface catching soft light as everyday elegance quietly reveals itself. A car door closes with a soft, expensive thud, leather upholstery gleaming inside as comfort meets quiet, understated luxury. A designer handbag catches the light in a store window, its rich grain and stitching drawing every passing glance. Leather is everywhere, on our feet, in our cars, on our furniture, wrapped around our wrists, touched daily without thought. Yet almost no one asks where leather truly begins, behind every stitched seam hiding a far rougher industrial origin. Somewhere, in a facility most customers never see, raw hide transforms into one of fashion's most valuable materials.
Today, hides from Brahman cattle, known for their thick and resilient texture, have become especially prized in luxury goods.
Fashion houses, automotive brands, and premium furniture makers all compete for supply, driving a massive, tightly controlled industrial process. Refrigerated trucks pull into the receiving yard in long, steady lines, beginning the leather's true industrial journey inside the factory.
Stacked and salted hides arrive by the ton, sourced from regional ranches and processing partners across the region.
Look at lot 42, the texture irregularity here.
Yeah, I see that. Let's isolate this batch for further review.
Overhead cranes and forklifts lift heavy hide bundles from truck beds onto the factory's intake platforms with steady precision. Inside the preparation hall, hides tumble slowly through large, rotating drums filled with water and mild cleaning agents. This step removes leftover salt, dirt, and organic residue picked up during transport, restoring cleanliness before deeper processing starts. From there, hides pass through soaking pits that rehydrate the material, restoring flexibility lost during preservation and storage. Fleshing machines shave away excess fat and tissue from the underside, a crucial step to protect the leather's future texture. What remains is measured and sorted by thickness and size, since consistency here determines behavior under later processing stages.
This is where raw skin begins its true transformation, no longer just animal hide, but leather's early foundation. Inside the tanning drums, hides tumble for hours, as this becomes the true heart of the entire factory.
Tanning agents penetrate deep into the fibers, stabilizing the material so it will never rot or stiffen over time. What enters as untreated skin now emerges stabilized and strengthened, no longer vulnerable to decay or damage over time.
After tanning, hides move to splitting machines, which slice each piece to a uniform thickness with startling precision.
Dyeing drums saturate the leather with rich, consistent color, ensuring every hide matches the desired premium shade throughout. Conditioning stations add oils that restore softness and suppleness, preparing the leather for its next major transformation stage.
Massive rollers and presses flatten and stretch each hide, locking in the smooth, even surface of luxury buyers expect.
What enters this stage as stiff, raw skin now exits as genuine, workable leather ready for the next step. Precision cutting tables, some laser-guided, slice patterns from the finished leather for wallets, bags, and seating panels. This is where individual leather panels stop being raw material and truly start becoming recognizable, finished consumer products. Assembled leather goods move steadily forward, nearing completion as they approach the factory's careful, detailed final inspection stage.
They check for consistent color, even texture, strong stitching, and any hidden flaws within the leather's natural grain.
Robotic arms and conveyor systems fold, box, and seal finished leather units at an impressively high, consistent speed. Boxes are then grouped and secure onto pallets, ready for the next stage of their long, careful journey. Palletized leather goods move into a climate-controlled warehouse, protected from temperature and humidity that could damage quality. Automated storage systems and forklifts slot the pallets into towering racks with smooth, precise, coordinated movements throughout the process. Barcode scanners log each pallet's exact location, allowing the facility to track thousands of leather units at once. This organized storage protects the leather from damage, while finished products wait patiently for their next shipping window.
When orders arrive, forklifts retrieve the correct pallets and move them steadily toward the busy, waiting loading docks.
These containers head toward regional distribution centers, carrying finished leather goods further along the vast global supply chain. From there, leather goods branch out toward wholesalers, retail partners, and international markets across the entire connected world. Weeks later, boxes finally arrive at boutique storefronts and department stores, ready for their carefully planned final stage. Lighting is designed to highlight the natural grain and finish of the leather, showcasing its rich, premium quality.
The stitching is all done by hand, which really highlights the quality of the Tuscan leather.
It's beautiful work. The clasp feels very secure.
Yes, it's solid brass.
Yeah.
Here is your card and receipt, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
At home, the leather wallet is used daily, its surface slowly developing character with every single gentle touch.
Over time, the leather product ages gracefully, developing a unique patina that reflects years of genuine, everyday use.
The customer never sees the trucks, drums, or tanning agents that once shaped this leather piece so completely. Nor do they see the hundreds of hands and machines that carefully shaped it along its long journey.
This is the hidden industrial journey behind a material we touch daily, proof that familiar objects carry extraordinary stories.